Hello, everyone. Thank you for returning to our channel. We talk about the tremendous benefits of Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera is a plant that may have health advantages, including lowering the risk of certain diseases such as high blood pressure. Moringa oleifera is a plant that has been revered for its health benefits for thousands of years. It contains a high concentration of beneficial antioxidants and plant components. Yet, experts have only looked into a portion of the numerous alleged health benefits. Scientific evidence supports the following health benefits of Moringa oleifera. 1. Moringa oleifera is very nutritious. It goes by a variety of names such as drumstick tree, horseradish tree, or ben oil tree. Almost all parts of the tree are eaten or used as ingredients in traditional herbal medicines. This especially applies to the leaves and pods, which are commonly eaten in parts of India and Africa. Below is a photo of Moringa oleifera leaves, powder and capsules. Moringa leaves are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. In Western countries, the dried leaves are sold as dietary supplements, either in powder or capsule form. Compared to the leaves, the pods are generally lower in vitamins and minerals. However, they are exceptionally rich in vitamin C. The diet of people in developing nations sometimes lacks vitamins, minerals, and protein. In these countries, Moringa oleifera can be an important source of many essential nutrients. However, there is one downside. Moringa leaves may also contain high levels of anti-nutrients, which can reduce the absorption of minerals and protein. Another thing to keep in mind is that taking Moringa oleifera supplements in capsules won't supply a large number of nutrients. The amounts are negligible compared to what you consume if you eat a balanced diet based on whole foods. 2. Moringa oleifera is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that act against free radicals in your body. High levels of free radicals may cause oxidative stress, which is associated with chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Several antioxidant plant compounds have been found in the leaves of Moringa oleifera. One study in women found that taking 1.5 teaspoons, 7 grams, of moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months significantly increased blood antioxidant levels. Moringa leaf extract may also be used as a food preservative. It increases the shelf life of meat by reducing oxidation. 3. Moringa may lower blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can be a serious health problem. In fact, it's the main characteristic of diabetes. Over time, high blood sugar levels raise the risk of many serious health problems, including heart disease. For this reason, it's important to keep your blood sugar within healthy limits. Interestingly, several studies have shown that Moringa oleifera may help lower blood sugar levels. However, most of the evidence is based on animal studies. Only a few human-based studies exist, and they're generally of low quality. One study in 30 women showed that taking 1.5 teaspoons, 7 grams, of moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months reduced fasting blood sugar levels by 13.5% on average. Scientists believe these effects are caused by plant compounds such as isothiocyanates. 4. Moringa oleifera may reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to infection or injury. It's an essential protective mechanism, but may become a major health issue if it continues over a long period of time. In fact, sustained inflammation is linked to many chronic health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Most whole fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices have anti-inflammatory properties. However, the degree to which they can help depends on the types and amounts of anti-inflammatory compounds they contain. Scientists believe that isothiocyanates are the main anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa leaves, pods, and seeds. But so far, research has been limited to test tube and animal studies. It remains to be seen if Moringa oleifera has similar anti-inflammatory effects in humans. 5. Moringa can lower cholesterol. Having high cholesterol has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Fortunately, many plant foods can effectively reduce cholesterol. These include flax seeds, oats, and almonds. Both animal and human-based studies have shown that Moringa oleifera may have similar cholesterol-lowering effects. Scientists believe that isothiocyanates are the main anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa leaves, pods, and seeds. But so far, research has been limited to test tube and animal studies. It remains to be seen if Moringa oleifera has similar anti-inflammatory effects in humans. 5. Moringa can lower cholesterol. Having high cholesterol has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Fortunately, many plant foods can effectively reduce cholesterol. These include flax seeds, oats, and almonds. Both animal and human-based studies have shown that Moringa oleifera may have similar cholesterol-lowering effects.